Hi, I'm Marie and here's a quick overview of one of my watercolour tutorials. These fabulous begonia leaves are a lot of fun to paint with their various shades of green set against the beautiful deep red undersides of the leaves. First of all, I paint the red parts of the leaves, layering up using a wet into wet technique, and using a darker and a lighter hue. I ensure that the paint layers blend into each other and create smooth transitions from the darkest to the lightest tones. I've also masked out the whiter spots covering the leaves using masking fluid. So this means that I can just go ahead and add as much water and paint as I want onto the leaves, again so that the varying hues can blend seamlessly into each other without me having to worry about working around the spots. So with all of these leaves, I add a water glaze first over my whole surface. And then, having mixed up different tones and hues of my green, I begin to drop the colour into the leaves, and while my paint is still wet, I continue to build on this surface, adding in darker tones to create form on the surface of my leaf, so that my leaf doesn't look completely flat. And I'm also painting in any details, blemishes and shadows. So all of this creates a really interesting and varied surface, differentiating each leaf from the other and creating a truly naturalistic and interesting image. Now all of my green mixes sit in harmony with each other as I use the same base colour, which is a yellow. So the yellow in all the mixes are the same, and then I create various hues of green by using a couple of different blues and also by darkening and lightening the mix depending on the amount of blue that I add into the mix as well. The full tutorial of these begonia leaves is in the Watercolour Members Club, where I have 85 plus watercolour tutorials that are all explained using my step-by-step method so that anyone can paint the way I do. The link is below if you'd like to learn more. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you've enjoyed this video and would like to see more of my upcoming hints and tips. I hope you found this video useful and I look forward to seeing you for the next one. So please enjoy the rest of it and goodbye for now.